Transit Elevated Bus, TB, often called the straddling bus, is a revolutionary public transportation concept designed to glide above traffic, solving urban congestion. Its unique design features a hollow, elevated structure that allows cars to pass underneath while the bus operates on specially built tracks. The TB offers several advantages. It reduces traffic jams, increases passenger capacity, and lowers emissions by potentially using electric or hybrid power systems. Although initially tested in China, the project faced challenges like funding and infrastructure compatibility. Still, the concept remains a fascinating innovation for rethinking urban transit systems. Transit Elevated Bus, TB, is a futuristic public transportation concept designed to combat urban traffic congestion. Transparent LCD Bus is a futuristic public transport concept that integrates transparent LCD panels into its windows, allowing for dynamic functionality. The windows can switch between clear and opaque, providing privacy, reducing glare, or displaying real-time information like routes, ads, or local news. This smart bus enhances the passenger experience by offering interactive displays and adjusting the environment based on weather or lighting conditions. With a sleek design and sustainable energy integration, the WILLIE bus represents the future of public transportation, combining cutting-edge technology with urban mobility for a more efficient, modern ride. Ford F-Vision truck concept is a forward-thinking, autonomous electric vehicle designed to revolutionize the trucking industry. Featuring an electric powertrain for zero emissions, the F-Vision is built for long-haul freight with autonomous capabilities, eliminating the need for a driver in many situations. Its sleek, futuristic exterior maximizes aerodynamics, while the modular cabin adapts for comfort or productivity. Integrated with smart technology, it connects with other vehicles and infrastructure to improve safety and efficiency. With sustainability at its core, the F-Vision offers a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly, autonomous commercial transportation. Hyundai Fuel Cell Trailer Drone is an innovative concept in the future of transportation, specifically designed to revolutionize long-haul trucking. This concept envisions autonomous, fuel cell-powered trailer drones that operate independently without the need for a traditional truck or driver. The trailers would be equipped with hydrogen fuel cells, offering an eco-friendly solution with zero emissions. These drones would be capable of autonomously hauling cargo over long distances, potentially in fleets, and could be guided by AI and advanced GPS systems. By eliminating the need for a traditional truck cab, the Hyundai Fuel Cell Trailer Drone could dramatically reduce transportation costs and improve efficiency in the logistics industry. The hydrogen-powered system offers a clean energy alternative to diesel-powered trucks. Is a compact, customizable vehicle designed to blend functionality and style for urban mobility. Typically inspired by the mini trucks from Japan, this vehicle offers a small footprint while maintaining impressive utility. It is ideal for navigating narrow streets and tight spaces, making it perfect for city deliveries, outdoor activities, or even personal transportation. The My Mini Truck often features electric or hybrid powertrains for eco-friendly operation and is customizable with various body styles, cargo configurations, and accessories to suit different needs. Its versatility, affordability, and efficient design make it a popular choice in urban environments. EcoFlow Blade Lawn Mower is a smart robotic mower that simplifies lawn care with GPS navigation and app control. To set up, place the charging station on level ground, map your lawn using the EcoFlow app, and set mowing schedules and cutting heights. The mower operates autonomously, navigating virtual boundaries to cut grass precisely and returning to the station for charging. Features like zone-specific mowing and eco-friendly operation make it efficient and convenient. Regularly clean the mower and blades to maintain performance, ensuring a perfectly manicured lawn with minimal effort. The mower automatically maintains your lawn, returning to its station when done or for charging.